Welcome to Section 5 of our Amazon Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's to apply. Getting everything right the first time that you do something is not an easy task. It's not healthy to always expect things to go your way, so it is always good to have some help in the beginning. Here are some do's you have to apply if you want to get started on the right foot. Niche down your audience as much as possible. You need to narrow the niche of your products and the audience that you'll target to successfully make money with Amazon. This also applies for keywords that you want people to see on search engine results if you want your Amazon affiliate website to be easily found by willing customers. Use the US Amazon site. Making money with Amazon is possible to people from all around the world. And because of this, non-U.S. people such as from Canada, Mexico, or Spain focus their efforts on their regional Amazon marketplaces. The problem with this approach is that unless you are promoting products that are heavily in demand in such regions, your profits can be lower than you expect. The best approach is to use the U.S. marketplace because it is reached by buyers from all around the world. Test everything. There is one marketing strategy that many sellers and affiliates tend to overlook, and that is testing. In the specific case of affiliates, testing doesn't mean doing extensive and complex A/B stuff. You just simply need to try different designs, ad copies, images, and wording, and then stick to the one that you see working best. Track your results. You cannot just guess as to what works and what doesn't based solely on the comments in your blog. You have to track the data left by your customers. You can do this by integrating a tool such as Google Analytics with your affiliate page to track the number of visitors, the bounce rate, and the click-through rates right after implementing certain changes. For regular and FBA sellers, tracking communications with buyers and review scores can be just as effective. Take care of branding. Branding is everything if you want to stand out. Branding yourself doesn't mean registering your business or affiliate website with a trademark. It just means that you have to give yourself a distinct personality in order to communicate authority. If you do not brand yourself, your products or affiliate websites will be just another one among thousands in a crowded marketplace. Take advantage of native shopping ads. Native shopping ads is an alternative way of monetizing a website other than with affiliate material. If you are running a blog where you want to review some products in between opinion articles, native shopping ads will allow you to place ads to promote products related to your content in pages that do not contain reviews or price comparisons. Promote your own products. Do you know what is better than earning commissions from selling products on the Amazon Marketplace? Earning a commission from selling your own products on the Amazon Marketplace. Yes, you can earn extra money when you promote your own products on Amazon. That means no matter if your product is a book, an app, a game, a shirt, or something that you are selling using the FBA infrastructure, you'll earn a fee on top of what you earn for selling the products. It is also an advantage to promote your own products alongside established brands, because your products will earn exposure by being featured in the same place where people land organically in search of offers. Leverage social media. Social media can be an exceptionally good way to promote your products or affiliate websites because social media tends to foster discussion groups dedicated to niche markets and niche products. Remember that your approach to promoting stuff on social media needs to be focused on the user experience and on what people want. The other good thing about using social media is that you can see how people are commenting in a niche before you decide to promote it. And you can also see what people think about certain brands and products without having to wait for a review in the marketplace. Automate as much as you can. The idea behind becoming an Amazon seller or affiliate is to create a passive income stream. This means that you'll become an Amazon merchant or affiliate to make money within the platform without putting too much of an effort into it. To do this, you need to automate as much of the process as possible. Online tools such as the EasyZone plugin and dropshipping services can help you set your Amazon business on autopilot. Use your own images. Using your own images instead of the ones offered in the default linking options can give you much more control over how your images fit the overall theme of your affiliate website. You can also control placement and presentation. The same thing applies to stuff that you sell in the marketplace. Don't settle for templates only.